When you're searching for an attorney and now you call the attorney's office, why do some lawyers require that you schedule a phone conference with the attorney? You want to know why? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. Now, there are some lawyers who have communication policies with potential clients and with existing clients. And what might that policy be? They don't take every single call that comes into the office at that moment. They don't drop whatever they're doing at that very moment in order to answer some new caller. They don't do that because you know what happens then? Now they're constantly being interrupted, and now the cases that they were working on, they get interrupted. And now they are no longer efficient because they now have to stop and take the call and chat with you for a period of time. Now they have to get back onto the case they were working on, and now they're likely distracted. The best attorneys, I find, are ones who schedule the phone calls. Yes, you have concerns, you want answers to your questions, and I understand that. And you will find that the best law firms, the best attorneys, actually go ahead and schedule those calls, because this way the attorney sets aside time to devote to you and you alone. And now he doesn't have to worry about being interrupted or interrupting the case he was working on. This gives the attorney an opportunity to focus on the case that he's working on. And now when he gets incoming calls about questions about an existing case involving existing clients or a potential new client, you'll find that many attorneys will go ahead and simply get on the phone, drop whatever they're doing, interrupt their day, interrupt their schedule. Hey, Mrs. Jones, nice to hear from you. Let me tell you what's going on. Or with a new potential client, and now they have a very lengthy, extended conversation. And now after that's done, they've got to go back and try and figure out where they were before. And now that's not very efficient. You will find that some of the best lawyers in New York actually require you to set up a scheduled phone call where now the attorney will reach out to you at a particular time and devote that particular time to you. And you know what else? In all likelihood, the attorney is going to ask you for an agenda for that call. What is it you'd like to talk about? What questions do you have? And ask you to send that information over to him so that now he knows he has a good idea of what it was you want to chat about. So when he actually gets on the phone, he can be prepared to talk to you about that particular question. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding of what some really smart attorneys do here in the state of New York. You know, I do understand you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you have not yet started a lawsuit and still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. And likely, I'm going to ask you to schedule that call. Speak to my receptionist and schedule that call. You can reach me, as always, at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.